Okay, welcome back. Our bouillon is, we just need to taste and put my dumpling inside. Let's taste it. Let me show you first. Taste is already looking like to eat. Oh, I love bouillon. I love bouillon. But I need the taste. So let taste it. The spicy of Léogane, Jacmel, Port-au-Prince. The spicy of the island of Haiti. We're gonna add some more Maggi. Don't forget I put a lot of water. So even we had the season of the meat is not enough because that's a lot of water. Voila. We're going to, and now we're gonna put our dumpling that I already made. Make sure the Maggi is mixing and mixing. And make sure you taste it. Those are the food that I like. I like food that's from the ground, real food. I don't like processed food. And it's not also good for you to eat processed food. But sometimes in this country, it's a fight. Oh my God, I made really a lot too much dumpling. But you know what? I know I'm gonna eat them very soon. So I put the dumpling. Now we can roll. Hey, I cannot wait to eat it. That's one of my favorite food too. Subjour, dumpling, pumpkin. Oh Lord, pumpkin soup, bouillon, chaka. Chaka is made with corn. It's not like that. With corn mixed with beans. It's so good. Every food, plantain, yam, malanga, coconut. I don't want pasta. I don't want rice. I want blé, bulgur. I want couscous. I want pitimi. I want maimoule. I want real food. I want tom-tom. Tom-tom is what we call pain de lion or fufu. Et voila. I just fell in my thing. Oh. The taste of the island of Haiti. Oh. The taste of the city of Léogane. Oh. We're gonna add a little bit of Jacmel inside. We're gonna add a little bit of Jacmel in the Léoganaise. I'm a mix of Jacmel mother and Léoganaise. Léoganaise father. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Et voilà, quittez le bouillon consommé, quittez le consommé, quittez le consommé. Consommé mean let it cook slowly, let it take its taste. In Haitian Creole, we say consommé. Quittez manger à consommer. Ça veut dire pour sans manger à prendre kaila. That means the smell of this food is just take over the house. It smells so good with the season of the island and the spicy and the taste, the flavor taste. My baby, see you soon. fin consommer parce que faut que d'ombre la cuite la donne. C'est comme ça femme créole veut manger, femme les regarde. Ouais, bouillon, mes amis. C'est pas bouillon jouet, non, c'est bouillon femme qui sont à Paris. Femme les regarde, qui a le Paris si moun, qui qu'on fait manger la caille comme ça. Nous-mêmes, nous pas manger un burger. Nous-mêmes, ici en France, nous pas un burger. Ouais, même si je viens aux États-Unis, je ne suis pas américaine 100%, je toujours la culture française là, culture haïtienne en premier, parce que les Américains, ça, ils ont vraiment pas le monde manger, mettez un paquet de produits là-dedans. Moi-même, je vais faire une tournée pour madame dans le nom de Jésus. À tout à l'heure. Samy, nous retournons pour bouillon. Et voilà. Nous allons bouillon ça. Son bouillon est relais. Qu'on là pour là. Oh my god. So, I remember, I'm just waiting for my dumpling, my dombra in Haitian Creole, dumpling, oh boy. Bon bagay. Jam. Don't mind me. So I'm gonna do this in dumpling to see if it's fully cooked. So I can start drinking, eating my bouillon. And when I finish eating my bouillon, if anyone comes to attack me, I'm gonna be gently. The head of this lamb, that's what gives us strength. Feet of the cow, that's how we fight. Spicy in that bouillon, that's what makes us hot in the blood. If anyone come after me, your bone is broken. This bouillon never play. That's a strong bouillon. Let's try this dumpling. So all my veggies are fully côté pomme de terre ça, on quitte pomme de terre gros. Hey. So nous pas l'essayer. Bon Dieu béni manger, béni tout le monde qui contribue avec, béni agriculteur, béni moi-même. Dans le nom de Jésus, tout ça pas bon. GM on a mangé ça, retiré, remove all the GM. In Jesus' name, blessing. It's good. It's sweet. It's sweet. But moi, je vais vous montrer un peu. Oh, I said it's good. I don't want. Here has a little white. I need it to really good. What is it? Thank you for my mother for helping me to learn how to cook. Because it's a blessing, trust me. So, c'est parti pour le show. Nous allons goûter. It's the time for degustation. Oh, I got too much. My eyes always see more than my belly. Maybe I'm coming there and say that this is way too much. I think it's way too much more. It's not that loud, it's the veggies. Ok, qui était bouillon, qui était consommé là. Là, c'est l'heure pour nous goûter parce que nous travaillons dur. Oui, c'est l'heure de dégustation. Nous finissons, oui. Ah, spicy. C'est bon. Très bon, très bon. Bon appétit à vous. Mais les coucou à la prochaine. Maintenant, on change l'accent d'anglais du français. Et voilà. C'est les bouillons d'Haïti. Ah, ça brûle.